What can we do? Arinath, your father used to travel with me ever since he was a young child. Okay, so his grandfather is saying that his father used to travel with him from a very young age. He learned to play the bean without being taught. Okay, so just by seeing his father, okay, he learned how to play bean. These days it is difficult. Now the government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. Okay, but these days we can hardly see any snake charmers, isn't it, children? So why is it so? Because government has made so many laws that which stop us from catching the wild animals. We are not allowed to catch the wild animals and keep them with ourselves. Okay. Some people kill the animals and sell their skins at high prices. Okay. And why government has made such laws, children? Because so many people, what do? They kill the animals and then they sell their skins at very high prices. Okay. So they made a law against this. Okay. So government has made a law against it. And by this law, we people are not allowed to catch any of the wild animal. Okay, children. Now with this law, how will we earn our livelihood? Now see, these snake charmers, they were dependent on these snakes only. Okay. By entertaining people, they used to earn their living. Now he's saying that now since we are not allowed to catch any wild animal, how are we going to earn our living? Okay. We people have never killed snakes and stole their skin. Okay. So he's saying that, but we have never ever harmed snakes. Okay. They have simply used them for earning their living. People say that we keep the snakes in bad conditions. Okay, so he's saying that so many people blame us that we keep snakes in bad condition, but it is not true. Okay, if we wanted, we too could have earned a lot of money by killing snakes, but we would never do that. Okay, so he's saying that if we want, we also can kill these snakes and can earn a lot of money by selling them, their skin and so many other things. But he's saying that we have never ever done this. Okay, snakes are our treasure that we pass on from one generation to another. Okay, so he is saying that these snakes are our treasure. Treasure means khajana. Okay, so he's saying that these snakes are our treasure and we keep on passing them from one generation to another. Okay, that means all their generation they keep on practicing this work only. Which work? The work of snake charmer. We even gift snakes to our daughters when they get married. Okay, so they in their culture they gift their daughters a snake when they get married. Okay, children. In our Kalbelia dance, we also have movements similar to the dance of snake. Okay, now these people are called Kalbelias, and which dance do, children? They do Kalbelia dance. Okay, and the movements of this dance are similar to the dance of snake. Arinath, you will have to make a different life for yourself. Okay, now so his grandfather is saying that Arinath, now since the government has made different rules against catching wild animals, so you will have to think something different for yourself. You will have to do some other work. Okay. You have got your father's gift of playing the bean. You and your cousins can form a bean party and entertain people. Okay, so he's saying that you already know how to play beans, so you along with your cousins can form a bean party and entertain people, and this way you can earn your living. Okay, but do not waste this knowledge about snakes you have got from your elders. Okay, so he's saying that don't let it go in vain. Okay, utilize your knowledge for the well-being of others. Share your knowledge about snakes with children who live in towns and cities. Okay, so he's saying that when you visit cities and towns, there you can tell children about all these things, whatever you know about snakes. You can share your knowledge with them. Okay. Tell them that they should not be scared of snakes. Help them to recognize poisonous snakes. Okay, so he's saying that since not all these snakes are poisonous, you can help them in recognizing the snakes which are poisonous and which are not. Okay. Now see children, right now we discussed about Kalbelia dance. Here you can see in the picture they have shown one position of posture of Kalbelia dance. Okay. Tell them how snakes are friends of the farmers. They eat the rats in the fields, otherwise rats would eat the crops. Okay, now he's saying that these snakes, they are what? They are friend of the farmers. And how they are farmers' friend, children? Because they eat the rats in the field and if they do not eat these rats, the rat will eat crops of the farmers. Okay, so in this way snakes are farmers' friend. Now you tell our story. Also make a new story of your life to tell your grandchildren. Okay. So his grandfather is saying that now whatever business you will do in future, you can narrate that story as well as my story to your grandchildren. So in this chapter, we learnt about snake charmer's life, snakes and their characteristics. Okay, children. Hope all of you understood this. With this, we have completed second chapter of science. Thank you.